In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into CUNYfirst account, step by step. CUNYfirst is the central portal many students, faculty, and staff use to access important services like class schedules, financial aid, and personal information. Logging in is quick once you know exactly where to go and what to look for, so let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, open your preferred web browser and go directly to the official CUNYfirst login page at https://home.cunyfirst.cuny. edu. It's best to type this address into the browser's address bar rather than searching for it, so you land on the correct page every time. When the page loads, check that you see the secure connection indicator in your browser, like the padlock icon, and make sure the address begins with HTTPS. Using an up-to-date browser helps the page load smoothly and keeps your session secure. On the login screen, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter your CUNYfirst username exactly as it was provided to you by your institution. Take your time here. Mistyping even a single character can cause an error. In the second field, type your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so confirm that caps lock is off and that you haven't accidentally added spaces before or after your password. If you're copying and pasting, double check that no extra characters were included. If your browser offers to autofill, make sure it's filling in the most recent correct credentials, especially if you've changed your password recently. For privacy and security, avoid entering your credentials on shared or public computers whenever possible. Once your username and password are in place, click the button to continue. It may be labeled submit or go, depending on how the page is displayed. Give it a moment to process. If everything is correct, you'll be redirected to your CUNYfirst homepage, where you'll see your dashboard and available tiles. That's your confirmation that you're signed in successfully. If you don't land on the homepage and instead see an error message, don't worry. Carefully recheck your username for spelling and your password for capitalization, then try again. Also, make sure you're still on the official site and that your internet connection is stable. That's it. Navigate to the official page, enter your credentials carefully, and click to submit. With these steps, you should be able to access your CUNYfirst account quickly and confidently every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get signed in without any hassles.